Hi, my name is Athena Reich, and I'm a singer-songwriter and music coach here in New York City. In this clip, I'm going to talk about step-by-step piano lessons. So you want to learn the piano. How do you start? Well, first of all, you got to get yourself a keyboard or a piano so that you can practice every day. Even if it's only for 5 minutes a day, it's going to make all the difference. Second of all, I recommend getting a music teacher. Go to takelessons.com and you can find a music teacher in your neighborhood, and you can look at their bios and choose someone. But say you want to teach yourself. Get yourself a music book. If you go to sheetmusicplus.com, you can find step-by-step piano lesson music books that will help you on your process. But I'll give you a quick little introduction. If you look at the keys over here, the piano is arranged in white and black keys, and there's groups of 3 and 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. It's patterns like that. If you go to the middle of the piano, usually near the word, the name, the brand of the piano, you can find the set of 2 black keys that's near there, and if you go to the left of that black on the white key, that's middle C. In the musical alphabet, it only goes up to G. So it goes up this way, C, D, E, F, G, etc., and goes down. So this has been Athena Reich for Step-by-Step Piano Lessons.